I shut out. Hello, ba. Good morning.
Good morning, my dear. How are you? So, it's not what you requested for? Hi, sir. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Si Joey the Great, hindi ka pagpapalit, handang tumulong at walang hinihingi.
I shut out. Init, grabe. So, nililibahin mo sa bayan ng San Roque. Kalingap. Hindi ko na sila, oh. Hello, ba. Good morning.
Good morning, Ate Gisak.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Gatin Morgan. Gatin Morgan.
Guten Morgen.
Guten. Okay, sorry. Guten Morgan.
Ate Gisak, Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgan.
To you.
Good morning, my dear. How are you? So, it's not what you requested for? Here you go. And that. And your Coca-Cola somewhere.
Oy, Coca-Cola. Hello. Ata, yan to.
Yeah, put them down, sweetheart. It's a bit heavy for you. Sorry, we were running late. We have too much stuff.
Biscuit.
There you go. What do you say?
Say, Oba, salamat to her. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
God Lord. I see, Sir Alba.
Yeah.
Salamat.
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 He's not in good mood. Tay, Nay Gloria.
Ha? May isang ulo.
Kaya nga.
Are you okay?
No.
Pardon? You okay? Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Ano po?
Yeah, pero gusto kang pagkit.
Okay.
Ay, siya. Ano?
Yeah. Here's your Coke.
Ano yan, luto?
Here you go.
Masaya siya.
Okay? So you happy now? Happy?
Oh, like a sipol.
Baso daw na, baso. Oh, wait.
Oba,
Maybe your lovely wife wants to
Ikaw
share
na bahala
with you.
dyan, auntie, ha?
Sure.
Ano yung kulag ko? Kain sila.
use the glass, please.
Yeah, use the glass, darling. It's
Not
better.
someone want to drink also.
No. I mean, I don't drink Coke,
Uh-huh.
but I don't know the guys, the others. But I'm not a Coke person. I am a water person. I prefer water. Water.
Me, tuba person.
Only is tuba,
Sa
but you know.
German, Wasser. Tubig.
Wow, sir.
But
Wasser.
yeah, but tuba at the moment is mainit.
Your body.
It's not early morning ano ba yung yung kukuha sa aga?
Tang.
Ito din kukuha sa aga, that's nice, it's nice and sweet, pero after a certain time of the day it becomes sour. So I like yung kinukuha sa morning. Okay, so
Oba.
how did you go last night? You sleep well? Yeah? And you have something for your cough? No? No? Nothing. Oh, look at that. So
Tiklat yan, no? Natumba siya.
that's the cause of the...
Tiklat yan.
Okay.
Natumba yan yun. Tumama yan sa simento.
Yeah, sinabi nga niya kagabi. So, hindi naman niya pina-x-ray. So, hindi natin nalaman kung meron siyang fractured or something.
Nagkakalakad siya eh.
Oh.
Isa yung biskuit. Buksan yung biskuit.
You want to eat your biscuit now?
You want a biskuit? Ang biskuit? Kamusta kayo dito?
Cookies. Isn't that what we call it, cookies? Yeah. In here they call it biscuit. That one.
So, you can start now to eat your biscuit.
Cookies. Remember?
Ano ba
We
to?
call it. Pull the lid up. Pull up the lid. That's the one.
Wow!
Oh, assorted cookies.
Pwede pahingi? Whopper.
Wiper. Don't worry, I'll buy you wiper mamaya, Raiko. That's belong to him.
May have one?
So, but don't forget, you only have it for morning tea, afternoon tea. You must eat something, vegetable. Do you eat vegetable and fruit? What fruit do you like in Philippines? Banana? You eat banana? No? Banana is good for you.
Yan talaga yung paborito niya. Paborito niya yung biskwit eh.
Fruit crop.
Bigyan ko sila ng...
Like kamote.
Sweet potato. Put some powdered milk
Yung chocolate
and
siguro.
butter.
Yung chocolate siguro ba?
Matatapon.
Yeah, here. Grab
Oh.
one from here. Here you go. That's it.
Oh.
Sweet naman.
Yum. That's delicious, isn't it?
Yeah.
But
I would introduce Nancy TV official. But they're gonna speak Oba in English.
go. It's your turn.
No, yeah. And I interview the Oba in English.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Uy,
I'm fine, thank you.
she's
My
kapatid. Oh my God.
my baby sister. My baby sister.
Hindi makita siyang ba?
This baby sister.
Yung nakita na.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tanungin mo kung pretty yung kapatid
You
mo sa
pretty or ugly?
Ah.
Pretty. Oh. Ang ba hindi ka makita?
Bugto.
Bunso niyang kapatid.
Kapatid mo pala siya.
Ay, okay, ma.
Magkamukha.
Oh.
Magkapatid niya.
Na, over. May I ask you something? Please be honest. Who's the good looking of one of those? Who's the good looking? I think you're afraid of him. No. You're not. So who's the good looking? The brother or the sister?
Who is the handsome?
Look. Is the... No comment? It's full. The mouth is
Pulpa.
The mouth is full.
Upo kayo.
Sige lang, te.
Binibilisan niya pa yung pagmaya. Oh.
Take your time.
Mamaya ulit ha. Mamaya ulit. Sige, kain ka na.
Later.
Again, later.
Later.
Kain na kayo doon. May pinggan ba kayo doon?
Meron.
Mas na?
Mash it up and put some little bit of butter and powdered milk. And have it with either chicken, roast chicken, or pork chop.
Ilang upuan niya lang to? Isang ganyan?
Ha?
Ilang upuan niya lang? Ayaw bitawan eh.
Dapat hindi yan kakainin ng marami. Don't eat too much of that, darling. It's too much sugar. Just have it for morning tea, afternoon tea. Have some proper lunch. Because it's not good for you. You become a diabetic, Mike.
Wala yan, diabetes.
Wala, pina-check up namin yan.
But you will if you keep eating those every day.
Mm. Ito yung sinabi niya na masakit.
Yeah, yun ang sugat nung natumba siya na fall over. Yeah.
Fall over siya.
That's the,
Pang araw-araw na ano?
Nagpapataya siya ng luto.
luto.
Oo.
Mayroon ba yung percento, te?
Meron. Okay, mamaya naman ulit. O ba, 8 lang ha. Ayaw nyo kumain ng kanin. Milk. Every morning. Every morning in milk. Bear Brand Adult. Wow. Yung tanggalin yung soft drinks. Yeah, mas iyo ba? Delicious Whopper this. Whopper. Delicious. Paano gagawin niya sa tinapay? Bibiyakin niya. Tapos, unahin yung cookies. Lutong. Lutong. Okay, stay there, ha? Because your house is built. Galing ko na mag-English. Just me. I say goodbye. Oo daw. Ayan, kumusta yung biskwit? Kalahati mo, nangalahati mo? Binuksan niya na yung gatas. Wow, pampasigla. Pampasigla. Oh, thank you. Say thank you, Ate Alma.
Say thank you to Alma.
Alma and Rosa. Rosa.
So come on,
Rosa.
come on, Opa, let's go to the
Katarman?
we like it's like a chicken
Joy.
joy and French fries.
You eat Chicken Joy, French fries? You eat McDonald's? Oh my God. Mga request ito. Mga request, mga pangmalakasan. No? Oh my God. Mapupurdoy ta, uba. Purdoy ta. Purdoy ta karon. Oo. Yung insure, hindi naubos ka agad sa kanya?
Alin?
Yung insure?
Iwan naman to.
Oo, yung insure.
Iwan kami ha, para bukas.
Iba, ate, huwag mo ihihan yung simento ha, titigas yan ha. So, I check your yung nagawa today. Okay.
Iwan na to ha.
So, ayun mga kalingap, nagawa ngayong araw. So, maraming salamat. Thank you sa adult bear bread. Malalaki isda dyan, Brad. Sa biskwit. Sa coke. At, ano ba yung tala? Coke, biskwit, diaper. Oh, so, thank you so much muli, Ate Alma and Ante Rosa. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. At lahat po na nagbibigay ng pagmamahal sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat. So, yung martilyo. Manito Anderson, Ate Pichons Marcelina, thank you. Ayan, kay Ate Amor, salamat po. Ate Arlene O'Neill, thank you. Ate Nili, maraming salamat. Ate Nili, ganun kasama na. Siyempre, ang ating mga supporters at sponsors, thank you so much po. Nandiyan dyan po sa ganyan natin si Craig. Kay Kuya Bal, atid na Kalingap Rab, salamat. Kuya Bal. Siyempre, mga Kalingap, maraming salamat. Sa The Great Moreno, Joy the Great, ito ang Noriansky TV University Official. Papiping, God bless. Hanggang sa muli po. Mag-ingat tayo pala.
Sa bawat sulok ng Northern Samar, may kamay na handang umalalay. Hindi hadlang ang pagod at hirap, basta't may pusong handang magling